Hello friends, myself Gajendra Singh. Today our topic of discussion is decoders. Decoder. Basically decoder is a combinational logic circuit that converts coded input to coded output. The name decoder means translating of coded information from one format into another. So the input code generally has fewer bits than output code. A digital decoder converts a set of digital signals into corresponding decimal code. Binary decoder. A binary decoder is a multi-input and multi-output combinational circuit that converts a binary code of n input lines into a 1 out of 2 to the power n output code. These are used when there is need to activate exactly 1 of 2 to the power n output based on an n bit input value. Depending on the number of input lines, the inputs of a binary code can be 2 bit or 3 bit or 4 bit codes. Usually the number of bits in output code is more than the bits in its input code. सो बाइनरी एनकोडर में n इनपुट अगर होंगे तो वो हमें 2 टू द पावर n आउटपुट हमें प्रोवाइड करेगा. द फिगर बिलो shows the general structure of binary decoder in which encoded information is accepted at n input lines and the output is produced at 2 to the power n possible output lines. So decoder n इनपुट लाइन लेके 2 टू द पावर n पॉसिबल आउटपुट लाइन हमें प्रोवाइड करेगा. सपोज हमने इनपुट दिया 2, तो 2 टू द पावर 2 दैट इज़ 4, तो हमारे आउटपुट बनेंगे 4. अगर हमने इनपुट दिया 3, तो जितना हम इनपुट देंगे उसको हम 2 की पावर बना देंगे, तो 2 की पावर 3 दैट इज़ इक्वल टू 8. तो हमारे पॉसिबल आउटपुट जो आएंगे वो आएंगे 8. तो इस तरीके से हम डिकोडर को डिज़ाइन कर सकते हैं, विच विल बी डिस्कस्ड लेटर. नाउ लेट अस सी एट द ब्लॉक डायग्राम. Here n data input lines. We take n data input lines, connect them with decoder which provide n input and 2 to the power n output. So this decoder gives 2 to the power n output lines. So these are the possible outputs, 2 to the power n. Depending on the number of input lines, the inputs of the binary code can be 2 bit or 3 bit or 4 bit codes. The most commonly used binary decoders are, सबसे पहला है 2 to 4 binary decoder. In a 2 to 4 binary decoder, 2 inputs are decoded into 4 outputs. Hence it consists of 2 input lines and 4 output lines. Only one output is active at any time, while other outputs are maintained at logic 0. दैट मीन्स जितने भी इनपुट होंगे आउटपुट हमें सिर्फ एक ही आउटपुट में हमें 1 मिलेगा, बाकी सब में 0 मिलेगा. नेक्स्ट है 3 to 8 डिकोडर. इन अ 3 to 8 डिकोडर देयर आर 3 इनपुट्स आर टू बी डिकोडेड इनटू 8 आउटपुट्स, यानी कि आउटपुट हमें 8 मिलेंगे. तो अगर हमारे पास इट हैज़ 3 इनपुट ए बी सी, तो हमें 8 आउटपुट मिलेंगे y0 से लेकर y7 तक. बेस्ड ऑन द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 3 इनपुट्स, ओनली वन ऑफ द 8 आउटपुट इज सेलेक्टेड. सेलेक्टेड मीन्स 8 इनपुट आउटपुट जो मिलेंगे उनमें से कोई एक ही आउटपुट हमें 1 प्रोवाइड करेगा. एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ डिकोडर. Decoders are greatly used in applications where the particular output or group of outputs to be activated only on the occurrence of a specific combination of input levels. Binary to decimal and decoder. Decoders are used to get the decimal digit corresponding to a specific input combination. A BCD number needs 4 binary digits to represent the 0 to 9 decimal digits. Thus, it consists of 4 input lines. Next we have address decoder. Amongst its many uses, a decoder is widely used to decode the particular memory location in the computer memory system. Decoders accept the address code generated by the CPU, which is a combination of address bits for a specific location in the memory. Next we have instruction decoder. Another application of the decoder can be found in the control unit of the central processing unit. This decoder is used to decode the program instructions in order to activate the specific control lines, such as the different operations in the ALU of the CPU are carried out. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.